red color, yellow color, black color, green color, blue color, and brown color. Kids, now you draw alphabets and use red color.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
A for apple,
A, B, C, D, E, F,
B for ball,
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O,
C for
Q, R, S,
cat,
T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
D for dog,
My ABCs. Next time, won't you
E for elephant, F for fish, G for God. Kids, now you draw 8 and use yellow color. H for helicopter, I for ice cream,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
J for joker,
L, M, N, O, P,
K for king,
T, U, V, W,
L for lion,
Y, and Z. Now I
M for moon,
ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with
N for nose. Kids, now you draw numbers. And first you draw 1 and use black color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's now you draw 9 and use green color. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
14. It's now you draw 15 and use blue color.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V,
15,
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know
16,
my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
17, 18, 19, and 20. Yellow color, drag green color, drag pink color, drag blue color, orange color, black color, red color, purple color, brown color, light green color, light pink color, and last one is sky blue color. Kids, now you draw 1, 1, O-N-E 1. Kids, now you draw 2 and use brown color. 2, T-W-O 2. Kids, now you draw 3 and use purple color. 3, T-H-R-W 3. Kids, now you draw 4 and use light green color. 4, F-O-U-R 4. Kids, now you draw 5 and use red color. 5, F-I-V-E 5. Kids, now you draw 6 and use orange color. 6, S-I-X 6. Kids, now you draw 7 and use dark pink color.
Won't you sing with me?
7, S-E-V-E-N, 7. Kids, now we draw 8 and use black color.
Eight,
8, E-I-G-H-T, 8. Kids, now you draw 9 and use yellow color.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
9, N-I-N-E, 9. It's last we draw 10 and use dark green color. 10, T-E-N, 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.